Unboxing of the MakerBot Digitizer. So here we have the box. I've already, it's a MakerBot Digitizer, as you can see. I've already opened the security tape to I've actually had this unpacked, but I will show you. So we open up the box, and the first thing we see is an instruction on how to unpack this, basically. So there you can see it has all the functions and instructions on how to use the software as well, but we'll go through them later on in this video. So after that manual, we have the accessory box, which includes the different parts, basically. Beneath it, we have a good foam with the digitizer in a plastic bag to keep moist and everything else. And there's also some moist boxes inside to absorb any moist. We'll just take this out here. You have to be careful so you don't touch the camera on the scanner. It's not good. So there we have it, the digitizer. And yeah, as you can see, it has a rotating plate and a camera and two lasers. The camera has a filter on it. The plate turns. The filter is to see the laser more easy. And you have a USB power cord and an on-off button on the back. In the accessory box, we find just the basic things. We of course have the manual, which I encourage everyone to read, but it's up to you. We also have a USB cable and a power cord along with the power brick. Inside we also have a small tool for adjusting the lasers, and we have the very important calibration box, or what I'm not sure how you should explain it, but this model, it has patterns that the camera will detect and be able to detect the different angles and calibrate itself. So that's something we'll go through on how to use. And that's all in the box. There's also 4 rubber feet, but I've already mounted them. Okay, so let's plug in the USB cable and plug in the power cord and then the USB cable and turn on the machine. And this is the MakerBot for Digitizer software, and the first thing we'll do is to calibrate the camera. So this software is very good. It explains everything and how to do it. So the first thing you want to do is take this calibration tool and make sure that you have the A side up. And there's a small dots over there that you will redirect so you have it in the center. So make sure to slide on the filter as well. And then click continue. And you should see these that this process is actually quite slow, but you will see the calibration tool rotating. So this is basically the camera looking at the different angles and calibrating the tool. So let's just speed that up. It sure does take some while. Okay, and after that it's time to rotate it. So we have the B side up, and then you will see that we are actually moving the whole thing back away from the camera to have the pattern in the center of the turntable. And it will read this surface as well and calibrate. So let's speed that up as well. And the last part is to calibrate the laser. So we're going to open the calibration box, and you see they have the angle patterns. So just mount the structure in the middle again and start this process. So we just, after the calibration of the lasers, we're ready to scan. So let's place an object on the scanner, and we can go in there on the settings, and this object is kind of medium, so we'll choose that setting, and then you have to make sure that you have the filter on, and then it's just time to start the scan. What you're actually seeing is the laser beam being translated into 3D points by the scanner. So you will first run one pass with the scanner, and then it will start the second pass with the laser from another angle, to make sure that you get all the angles. You can actually, after this scan pass, you can also create something that is called multi-scan. So if you have a difficult object that you can't reach all the areas from, after you scan the first rotation, you can turn it around or put it into another angle and then make another scan. And the MakerBot will automatically align the both of the scans and create a good solid for you. But as you can see, just in 1 second. So there we have all the instructions for the multi-scan. I can see on the piggy there that you can rotate it to make sure that you get all the angles. But you can also, as you see on the left menu, you can crop the scan if you want to. Or you can start the multi-scan, or in this case we're done. So we have on the left side here, in just a second, we have a save as, and you can export this as a point thing or point STL or point OBJ. But that looks good. So you can also share it on Thingiverse if you want, print it with MakerBot directly, or scan it again if something's not correctly. It will automatically save these as my scan, so you can always go back to them. Thank you for watching. I hope this was you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, please click the like button. If you want to see more, please subscribe. And if you have any questions, or if you think that I should have done something differently, just drop a comment. Bye.